How to export database in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a database in Notion in just about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Notion homepage. On the top right corner, click the Login button. For a quick and seamless sign in, I recommend choosing Continue with Google, and you'll be logged in instantly. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the specific database you want to export. This could be a task list, a project timeline, or even an inventory sheet. When you've opened your database, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those to open the menu options. From the drop-down, select Export. A small window will pop up, giving you options to choose the file format and customize your export settings. For most cases, exporting as a PDF or CSV works perfectly, depending on whether you just want a readable file or something you can edit in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Once you've set your preferences, click the Export button in that window. Notion will then start preparing your file. If your database is large, it may take a moment, but once ready, the file will automatically download to your computer. You can then find it in your Downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Notion database. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.